the door heater or view inside camera assembly needs to be replaced on your refrigerator, you may notice one or more of these symptoms. You may see condensation between the refrigerator doors or have issues when opening and closing the left fridge door due to the heater assembly not engaging properly. You may also notice the view inside screen is freezing, showing a blank screen, or not updating correctly and showing what's in the fridge. Inspect the door heater assembly for damage and check to see if the top spring piece pops up into place when opening and closing the door. Also, check for condensation on the surface of the door heater assembly. For the view inside camera, make sure that the camera isn't blocked and that it's updating after moving, adding, or removing items in the fridge. Be sure to use genuine Samsung parts and confirm that the part is compatible with your refrigerator model and type. All you need to replace the door heater assembly is a Phillips head screwdriver. Before you begin, unplug the refrigerator to prevent possible shock. You are now ready to replace the door heater. Open the left refrigerator door and flip open the door heater assembly. Next, remove the 2 screws from the center of the assembly. Tap on the bottom of the assembly in an upward motion or firmly push it up to disengage it from the door. The assembly will still be connected by wires, so be careful. Disconnect the 2 connectors from the wire harness to fully remove the door heater assembly. To install the new heater assembly, begin by connecting both connectors to the wire harness. Next, align the top and bottom tabs and then push the door heater assembly down. Finally, reinstall the 2 screws. Now, just confirm that the camera is working correctly and refreshing the image. Keep in mind that it takes a few seconds for the image to update.